have in front of me here a 100-meter roll of mini shotgun satellite cable that's available on the tvtrade.ie website. So what I've done here is I've just cut off a little cross section of it here to give an overview. So the first thing here is it's 100 meters, but it's 100 meters by 2 because it's a twin cable, okay? So you can see it here. So I've actually just pulled it apart so you can see, but it's actually joined together all the way along the roll, and you can just see the actual example there. How did it come off the roll like this, okay? So let's look at the dimensions of it, and then I'll talk about why it's so popular. So the first thing to note is that the outer diameter here is 4.8 millimeters for each section of cable. And then when we come inside here, we have the braiding. There's 64 strands on it. Now with some of the lower cost ones, it's only 48 strands. So that's a big advantage of this. And also then we have the silver foil, the dielectric, and we come into the core cable. And the core cable on this is 0.7 millimeters. And if we looked at the lower cost versions again of this, it's only 0.5 millimeters. So once again, it's a big advantage of this and why it's actually quite a high quality cable, why it works so well. So the reason that it's so much in demand is a huge number of installs that would happen would be, for instance, a Sky Plus or a FreeSat Plus box where you need to run 2 cables from the satellite dish to your receiver. But using this, we have a twin cable that's very neat and easy to run, okay? The next advantage of it, of course, is that if we drill, we'll say, the outer diameter of this is only about 10.4 millimeters. So it means that if we drill a 12 millimeter hole in the wall, we've no difficulty running through this twin cable through that single hole. And once again, that's very advantageous. Now, what associated products would we use with this? Well, the first thing we have available on the website is we have a special twin clip that's specifically designed for use for this cable, and that's an associated product listed with it. When it comes to the F connectors then, if we looked at, we'll say, our standard F connector, we have quite a wide diameter in the center because ordinary RG6 cable is about 6.2 millimeters wide, where of course this cable here is only 4.8 millimeters. So with the mini F connectors we sell, the shotgun Fs, we compensate for this in the fact that the housing in it is actually much thicker. So the inner diameter is smaller, and what this means is that we can get quite a good fit directly onto the cable itself. If we actually turn this over here and just look, this part of the F connector, the top part, this is identical to a standard F connector. So you can use it in conjunction with, we'll say, an F joiner, etc., like we would with the ordinary F connectors. Now, in terms of, we'll say, I've mentioned the fact that we could use this in conjunction with Sky Plus, etc. But just say we had a scenario where we had a TV aerial and a satellite dish quite close together. We could actually run both cables down, we'll say, for instance, with a combo box, using this type of cable. In terms of the range of this cable comes in, as you've seen here, we have this in 100 meter mini shotgun cable here, but also behind us here is not only do we have it in black, but we have it in white as well, and we have it in 250 meter white and also 250 meter black. So it's proven to be quite a popular product on our website, and it nicely completes our range of cable, which also includes, for instance, standard RG6, CT100 and CT165.